Looking for a measuring cup that's both precise and practical? The Chef Craft 1 Cup Clear Measuring Cup promises to make your cooking and baking measurements effortless, whether you're working with liquids or dry ingredients. With clear plastic construction and easy-to-read graduations in both US and metric units, this cup delivers accuracy right where you need it. What sets this measuring cup apart is its thoughtful design. The clear plastic lets you see your measurements at a glance, eliminating guesswork. The large, bold numbers make it simple to read, even if you wear glasses. Plus, it has 2 spouts for clean, precise pouring, so you avoid spills and wasted ingredients. A handy hole in the handle means you can hang it up for easy storage, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Durability is another highlight. Made from sturdy plastic, this cup stands up to everyday use without cracking or warping. While it's not suited for extremely hot or highly acidic liquids, it performs perfectly for most kitchen tasks at room temperature. Beyond the kitchen, it even doubles as a scoop for pet food or aquarium supplies, adding extra value to your purchase. Users across the US praise its accuracy, confirming that measurements align perfectly with other trusted tools. The adhesive label inside is easy to remove without leaving residue, and a quick rinse before first use ensures it's ready for your recipes. Some wish the cup and ounce measurements were color-coded for quicker reading, but that's a minor detail in an otherwise reliable tool. If you want a measuring cup that combines clarity, convenience, and dependable performance, the Chef Craft 1 Cup Clear Measuring Cup is worth a look. It's an affordable, no-fuss addition to your kitchen gear that handles all your measuring needs with confidence. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cooking setup with a tool that works as hard as you do.